In this video, I want to share with you this financial dashboard that I built. I sell this on Etsy and also on my website. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. So if you purchase this on my website, you get a 10% discount. So this financial dashboard contains all three financial statements. It will contain a balance sheet, an income and loss statement, so like a revenue and expense statement right here, and then you have a cash flow as well, right here at the very end. And the unique thing about this financial dashboard is each of the financial statement has its own overview tab, meaning that you can summarize this data. So for example, the balance sheet, this is a monthly balance sheet that you could input your data, so you can update any of this description that is according to your business. So you can change any of this description, right? So you can change this to cash and cash equivalents, right? Or you can just leave it as cash, right? So you can edit all the description according to your business needs. And here you can pick, any starting month. If your business starts in June, then you can hit the start month as June, and then you can pick any year. And you can use this template forever, essentially. It goes up to the year 2044. So let me change it back to January. So you can see every month you can input your data in here, and then you have a monthly overview tab. So here it's kind of like a financial statement that you can just easily summarize and print it out. So for example, once you enter all your data in the monthly tab, and then you just want, okay, I just want to see 1 month, what does that look like for my balance sheet, right? So you can pick any month, June, you can pick October, and it'll populate that data. So you can see we're picking October 2027 and our balance is 1.356. So let's see if that's correct. So October 1.356, right? So that's correct there. So it's pulling the correct data. Also, income statement, same thing. You enter in your income information. You can edit the description according to your business needs. And then, of course, you can change the starting month and year as well. And then here is where you could summarize the data any month that you prefer, right? And they'll summarize that information into a neat financial statement that you can print out. Also, same thing with the cash flow. You enter in your data. And the unique thing about the cash flow is it has a beginning cash balance. So here you just enter what your beginning cash balance is, if you know what that is, and then it'll automatically roll over the rest of that data for the next month. Okay, so here you can pick any month you want, any year you want, essentially, right? And then you can pick any starting month as well. Okay, and then once you pick your information, then you can come here and summarize any month that you like. All right. Okay, and then here on the dashboard, you can pick any year and also any month to view all that data visually. So up here on the top area here, you have the cash flow information. It tells you how much cash you have on hand, your inflow and outflow activity for operating, financing, and investing activity. And down here, you have the income information, income expense, and not net profit. And then also, if you notice, it gives you the change from the previous month and also what month you picked, right? So here it says gross revenue for the month ended December 31st, 2027. So if we pick November, it should change to November. See, it changes. And then at the bottom here, you get a trend, a visual trend of the revenue and cost of goods sold. And here you get the visual trend of revenue, expense, and net profit. And here on the right, over here is the balance sheet data. And you get a trend of your balance sheet information, your liquid asset. Is it trending up or trending down? So in this case, it's trending up. And then for here, your assets for November, and then your liability and equity for November, because right here it's showing you what it is. And also your current ratio, your working capital, and your asset to equity ratio. So it's a very neat financial dashboard. It could give you a comprehensive data and visual data to see where your business is going. Like, are you trending in the right direction, or how are you doing for a current month? So if you're interested in this financial dashboard, please check it out. I will put the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching.